Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of learning Great is Thy Faithfulness. So I hope you enjoyed day 1. It is a nice and slow song, which is great, but it is a little tricky in that we have to sign one word and while we're singing a different word. So it does take a little practice, but stick with it, you'll get there, okay? Remember from yesterday, this Thursday, I have a big announcement for you guys. So mark your calendar, keeping myself accountable. If I say it now, then I've got to show up on Thursday and say it then. And also, I am still left-handed. So that means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, there's a description where there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so yesterday we learned verse 1 and the chorus. Today we'll be learning how to sign verse 2 and verse 3. So that starts out with summer and winter and springtime and harvest. So we're going to learn the seasons today, guys. We're going to learn the seasons. So what I love about sign language is that it's very symbolic, right? So summer is like this. Kind of have your index finger and it kind of comes across into an X hand, okay? Summer. So the way I kind of remember this is imagine you have sweat on your brow because it's hot. Unless you're in Australia, then summer is cooler. But, right? Is it that summer is cooler or you just have summer in our winter months? And if you're from Australia, let me know, okay? Summer and winter. So winter, ooh, brr, winter, okay? Occasionally you'll see it with W's, winter. Okay, summer and winter, springtime, such a cool sign. Okay, flowers, springtime. Okay, they come up twice. Springtime and then harvest, you have your hand here and it's almost like the leaves falling. Okay, so you have 4 fingers kind of wiggling down here at your elbow. Okay, so those seasons again, summer and winter, springtime and harvest. Okay. Sun, moon, and stars. Sun, you're going to kind of make a circle in the sky and then show light coming from it. Okay? Sun, moon. So you're going to make almost like a crescent shape and starting here and then going up. Okay? So showing it in the sky. Okay? So moon, stars. Okay? Show all those stars in the sky. Okay? Stars in their courses above. So they're talking about how they're in their orbit or in their, so we're just going to kind of show they're up there, okay? They're up there. I might have to squat, okay? Up there. And their courses above. Join with all nature, join, okay? Join with, we're going to do the earth, right? We were talking about things above the earth, like in the solar system. Now we're going to join with the earth in manifold witness. So I didn't know what manifold meant. Manifold means like great, abundance, okay? So we're gonna do greater than, okay? So it's like great. So for that, you kind of have you pulling apart, great, okay? It's really big. For when we sign great is thy faithfulness, we're actually doing like amazing, okay? Amazing, awesome. So greater, where am I? Witness. You see it and it's almost like you're making an account of it. So if you're not comfortable with manifold witness, you can just do witness, okay? So you see it and you're writing it down. It's there. So to thy great faithfulness, mercy is the same as compassion, those middle fingers coming from heaven, and love. Okay, let's try that from the top. Summer and winter, springtime and harvest. It's hard not to sing along. Sun, moon, and stars in their courses above. Join with all nature in manifold witness to thy great faithfulness, mercy, and love. Sometimes it's easier to sing than to say it because it's so familiar. Okay, and then it goes back into the chorus, great is thy faithfulness. Now, the third verse, pardon for sin and peace that endureth. So pardon is forgiveness, Okay, so it's wiped clean. Forgiveness for sin. So once again, those X hands. I have seen it also straight fingered. Okay, sin. Sin. Peace. Okay, so your two hands together. Peace that endureth. So you have thumbs up on the side, thumbs touching together, and it continues. Okay, peace that endureth. Thine own dear presence. So your presence. Okay, so God's up here, we're down here. So your presence to cheer and to guide. Okay, happy, happy, your ribs, happy, and to guide. Okay, so God is guiding us. Cheer and to guide. Strength for today. Strength, show those muscles. Strength for today. And bright hope for tomorrow. Bright hope. Okay, so bright, those fingers. Hope. Okay, so you're bending them just at the fingers, but you're keeping your fingers straight. Hope. Okay, hope for tomorrow, or you could do the future too. Tomorrow is kind of the thumbs up out in that future motion. Okay, for tomorrow. Blessings all mine with 10,000 beside. Blessings. Okay, so you're here and you just kind of, send it out. Blessings all mine. Okay, all mine with fingers together, 10,000. So we're going to learn a number today. Shake your thumbs up like this. 10,000. 10,000 beside. Okay, so your hands together and you're showing beside. 10,000 beside. Okay, that's verse 3. Let's practice that. So, pardon for sin and a peace that endureth, thine own dear presence to cheer and to guide, strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow, blessings, all mine with 10,000 beside. Okay, let's try that one more time, and then we're going to do verse 2 and 3 together. Okay, so pardon for sin and a peace that endureth, thine own dear presence to cheer and to guide, strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow, blessings all mine with 10,000 beside. Okay, let's try verse 2 and verse 3 together, guys. Okay, so remember, verse 2 starts with those seasons. Summer and winter, springtime and harvest, sun, moon, and stars in their courses above. Join with all nature in manifold witness to thy great faithfulness, mercy, and love. And it goes back into that chorus. And then verse 3, pardon for sin and a peace that endureth, thine own dear presence to cheer and to guide, strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow, blessings all mine with 10,000 beside. Okay, and that's everything you need for this song. So practice this as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, in video number 3, we're going to practice everything we learned yesterday and today and walk through the song from top to bottom. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.